Think about the last time a supplier delivery came in late and disrupt your production. Did you see it coming? Or did you find out when it was already too late? For a lot of procurement team, the reality is that the supplier management runs mostly through emails. You send the purchase order, wait for a confirmation, follow it up, you don't hear back. When a delivery date change, it gets buried in an email thread nobody reads in full. SourceDay changed that by centralizing all supplier communication in a platform connected to your Epicor. Supplier confirms directly in the system. Scheduled change are visible in real time. Your team can see exactly when every order stands without chasing information down. What this change on the ground? Fewer surprise, fewer unplanned production stops, and supplier relationships that's run on shared data instead of remembered conversation. If your visibility into your supplier depends on your inbox, you're managing risk you can fully see yet.